Welcome children, this is your mentor Mrs. Monia and here we are with the chapter number 2, that is log on to Access. And for today your subtopics are primary key, editing tables in Access 2016, sorting and filtering data sheet. So let's start with the first topic, that is primary key. Primary key is a sort of a check on the table that every record in the table is unique. The field that is selected as the primary key of a table neither can have a duplicate data nor it can be left blank while entering the data. And if more than one field is combined to form a primary key, then it is called a composite key. So here the best example is when you are creating a table for students record. So we can apply primary key on the field that is house number, because house numbers are never repeated. Every child has a unique house number and you cannot leave any record blank. That means in case you forget to write somebody's house number, the data will not be accepted. Let's understand with the help of example. So children, here you can see the field names, already house number. We have a primary key which is applied to house number. So in case you want to shift this primary key to some other field, so for example for phone number, because phone numbers are also unique, so you can just click on this field, that is phone number, and we'll go for primary key. It's a toggle button. So when you click on it, you just see the field, this field is applied with the primary key. And if again you want to shift this primary key to house number, we'll just click here and go for primary key. So let's try to enter data. We'll go for data sheet view, and before that let's save this table. So here the primary key is applied right now to house numbers. That means every record is unique and you cannot repeat any of the house number. So if you try to repeat, for example, let's repeat 888. We'll repeat this house number again of Krish and see what happens. We will enter a name here, that is Nishant, and here I'm entering the phone number. And this is the marks 90, and then we will just write here Kumar. So here what will happen when I go for the next, see, it will give me an error. It is showing you that a duplicate value has been entered. Okay, so here it will not accept it till you change. So let's change this and remove. We'll just write 88 and it has been then accepted. See, okay. So primary key, with the help of primary key, you cannot duplicate your record and your record will be always a unique in that particular field. Next topic is editing tables in Access 2016. So in this we'll be learning how to insert or delete a field in datasheet view, how to move a field, how to hide or unhide fields. So let's understand with this practical example. So here in this database, let's first insert a field. So I will right click on the marks field, and from this contest menu we will choose insert field. Here you can see one new field has been inserted here. Double click on this field name and you can just write last name. So this is the field name I have given. You can just click here and you can enter the data. And in case you want to delete this field which we have inserted, again we will right click on this field name and from the contest menu we will choose delete field. So from here we can delete the field. In case I want to shift this father's name, this field, I want to shift it here in this place. So you will just hold it and drag it and bring it here. See, the black line has come here, you will just drop it here. So here it has been shifted. So this is how you can move a field. Okay. And after moving a field, in case I want to hide this phone number, this field. So again I will right click on phone number and from this context menu we will choose hide fields. You can see phone number field has been hidden. If you want to bring it back, again we will just right click on any of the field and we will choose unhide fields. So here you can see phone number is unticked. We will tick on the phone number so it can be visible because it is unhide column. So here we will bring it back and you can see the phone number is back again. So we have just learned how to insert, how to delete a field, how to move a field, and how to hide or unhide a field. So the next topic is on sorting and filtering a data sheet. Sorting refers to the arrangement of data in an ascending or descending order. Filtering helps you to display only those records that meet the specified criteria and hide rest of the records. And advanced filtering helps you to narrow down the records. It's like running query only on one table. Let's understand this with the help of our practical. So children, let's first understand what is sorting. Here in this case, for the first name, I'll just right click on this option and you have this contest menu. In this, the first option is sort A to Z or sort Z to A. But when I right click on marks and I choose for sorting, it will ask me sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest. The reason is that when we have designed this table at that time, type of data selected for first name was text, and the type of data for house numbers and marks was selected as numbers. So when the sorting comes for numbers, it will ask you from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. But when sorting is for the text, it will ask you sort A to Z or sort Z to A. So let's go for ascending order, A to Z. Here it has been sorted in ascending order. And if I try to sort this from smallest to largest, here you can see it has been again ascended. Fine. Now next we have seen about the filtering. Let's understand what is filter. Now here in the marks column, I'll apply filter. Here on this drop down arrow, we'll just click here and here we will choose 90 marks. Let's see how many children have got 90. First we will untick all the boxes and we'll just tick on 90. That means we want to know how many children have got 90 marks. Let's see this. So here Priya Gupta and Krish Mukherjee, they have got 90. This is a filtering. We have filtered the records. We can see only that record which we require. Let's go for select all and I'll just say okay here, so we can again see all the records. This is filtering. If I talk about advanced filter, now here in this case, advanced filter, here you have an option of number filters. So let's go for equals to, or we can say greater than, and it will ask you marks is greater than or equal to. Let's choose here 90. That means I want to know the list of children who have got more than 90 marks. So that is, here we have Manish Kumar with 98, Priya with 90, Gaurav Singh 91, Krish Mukherjee 90. So this is advanced filter. Okay, and we'll clear filter from the marks here. This is advanced filter. So children, here is your assignment. First is explain sorting, and sorting refers to the arrangement of data in an ascending or descending order. And second is explain filter, and your filtering helps you to display only those records that meet the specified criteria and hide rest of the records. So my children, that's all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe and go digital, and do subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.